this is Igor at ANTISMOG with an explainer video on operating our C-600 hydrogen carbon cleaning machine. With my colleagues Rudy and Luke, we filmed this tutorial at one of our partner garages, RS Garage, to serve as a guidance for an efficient hydrogen carbon cleaning procedure. First things first, we start by doing a checkup of the vehicle, paying special attention to the engine oil and coolant levels. This gateway is important. Do not advance beyond this point. Do not start hydrogen carbon cleaning if the engine is low on oil or coolant, or if there are other obvious mechanical problems with the engine or the exhaust. Next, ideally, we would like to capture some of the key variables indicative of the state of the vehicle before the hydrogen treatment. This could be an exhaust gas measurement or a snapshot of variables obtained via an OBD2 diagnostic tool, such as DPF back pressure, DPF soot mass, and so on. To inject hydrogen into the air-fuel mix, loosen the bracket holding the air intake duct and slip the hard part of the hydrogen hose into the air intake in the direction of air travel. This is an important safety-related step. If the vehicle is to be left unsupervised during the carbon cleaning operation, for example, if the mechanic wants to work on another vehicle nearby, it is imperative to connect the safety clips to the vehicle's battery. This safety feature will stop the hydrogen production if the vehicle engine stops. Activate the safety clips by pressing the engine stopped switch. The carbon cleaning can now be started. Very important! Start the engine first, then start the C-600 machine. To start the C-600, turn on the main switch on the very left of the control panel. Ensure that the level of electrolyte is nominal. Set the timer to the required duration of the treatment, usually 60 minutes, and press the green start button. Once the start button is illuminated, use the gas production volume control to set the gas production to the required value. As a quick rule of thumb, the gas production value should be equal to the engine displacement in liters. This value can be doubled in cases when the engine and the exhaust system are very dirty and need a bit more hydrogen to be cleaned effectively. So for example, for a 3-liter engine, the gas production should be set between 3 liters per minute and 6 liters per minute, depending on the level of carbon deposits. While the carbon cleaning is taking place, we can run the diagnostics to monitor the effectiveness of the process. Towards the end of the procedure, with a few minutes to spare, it is recommended to rev the engine 5 to 10 times to help flush the system and evacuate any remaining carbon particles. Once the timer counts down to 0, the machine stops automatically and the operator is notified by an audible signal. If the carbon cleaning process must be stopped before the timer runs out, it is very important to stop the hydrogen machine first, then stop the vehicle engine. After the carbon cleaning procedure, if practical, it is advisable to drive the vehicle at elevated RPM for 10-15 minutes. To verify the efficacy of the carbon cleaning treatment, the emissions or other variables can be recorded again and compared to the baseline values. And this is how you operate the ANTISMOG C-600 carbon cleaning machine to help the cities breathe.